Yeah, this is my backyard fridge, just for dragon. Yeah, this is Axe, American Beauty. This is San Ignacio, Capistrano Valley. Yeah, I labeled them. And we have Edgar Baby. Yeah, I need to put these in the fridge now. This is the harvest for today. Different variety, from Sugar Dragon to Isis Yellow to Myla, Voodoo Child, Assunta 4 and Assunta 3, and Maria Rosa, all that. This is Sunday morning. Yeah. Let's talk about how we can get bigger fruit and bigger size fruit. The one's cracked. It's gonna be sweet. I hope you can enjoy the video. Good morning. Today we're gonna talk about how you get bigger size fruit. Look here, this is the same plant. Look to this fruit. And look to this fruit. You see the difference between the size? And this is what I try to explain on all my videos if you wanna get bigger size fruit. In this, I use same flower pollen, self-pollination. And in this one, I use Sugar Dragon pollen. And you can tell it's the same plant, but the size is different. Another example here. When you use the same plant, the same flower pollen. Look here. This is, I use Sugar Dragon pollen. You can tell the size. Here I use the same plant, the same flower. Even if it's self-pollination, the recommendation to choose different gene pollen. Yeah, but if the variety have a small size like this one, Voodoo Child or Sugar Dragon, they're not gonna get big because that's the size of the fruit. But if there is a hope that you're gonna get bigger fruit, it's better to use different pollen from different variety. Here another example of the Assunta 4. This is Assunta 4. Look how big is that. I use American Beauty here for Assunta 4. Yeah, and even not all the pollen from different variety, they give you bigger fruit. I'm still do research about that. And I noticed Sugar Dragon is the best. Like this. Look how small. I did not cross-pollinate here. Vietnamese white. This is when I use their pollen. It's because it's a self-pollination. But when I use a different pollen, it's gonna get bigger. Yeah. This is the idea. Same thing here. Look this one. And look this one. American Beauty and Sugar Dragon they're gonna give you better size fruit. And here we have Trisha. Here's a new pot for Trisha. Look how beautiful is it. I use sugar dragon here. And I think this is the more important things. If you want to get a bigger fruit, try use sugar dragon. This is a sugar dragon fruit. They're not gonna get bigger because that's the size of it. A small fruit, but very sweet. Yes. Yeah, sugar dragon very sweet. I was gonna keep this one a little bit. Small fruit. And this is Mila. Look, Mila. This year I love the taste of the Mila. Yeah. It's called Capistrano Valley. It's a self-pollination, but always I do cross. This is Asonta 3. This is Voodoo Child. This is American Beauty, and this is Voodoo Child. Look, Mila. Do you see that? This is Mila. A lot of fruit, and one branch have 5-6 fruit. That's why this is one of the things. If you want bigger fruit, just keep one in the branch. But this is a nice, good sized fruit. 5 fruit in the same branch, not bad. I'm just testing it and let you know exactly how that work. Different gene, they are different. But in general, you want bigger fruit, you need a cross pollination. You need to use pollen from different variety and keep not too many buds. Yes, yeah, this is a Mila. It have a lot of fruit. I've been harvest today some of the variety. Yeah. I'm using just one hand to film and collect the fruit. That's why it's not easy. Yes. Yeah, and this is not ready. But look how beautiful the color. Yeah, I give it 2 more days for scorpion. This is my harvest today. You see, their size is different. It depends which pollen I use. This is Maria Rosa. This is Isis Yellow. This is Assunta 4. Look, the difference between this one and the one over there is still green, big, because the pollen. This is Assunta 3. This one's supposed to be sweet now because it's cracked. Yes, this is my harvest today.